This video is about my global voluntary experience. This winter, I was totally burned out of everything. So I decided to take a gap year and do something that makes situation better. And the first thing was to volunteer abroad. I went to Vietnam through the organization called ISEC. It's one of those many organizations that run global volunteering programs across the world. As for my project, the Empower Vietnam was based on the SDG 4, which is the quality education. Of course, accommodation and the meals were provided, and the actual length of the project was 6 weeks, but because of the coronavirus, I had to go back home earlier. So actually, first 2 weeks, I actually did my job, but the following 2 weeks was for the holidays, so I had no job. So I just went for traveling because it was Tet holiday. At the homestay Prime, where I stayed, there are many foreigners and even the local students. So we all live in there together and teach together. There were ups and downs, but most importantly, I finally figured out what I wanted to do with my life. It feels so great when you actually see your development and results on the hand. Like, I finally learned how to ride a bicycle after all these years. I used to be an ice seeker in Mongolia, and so when I meet other ice seekers in Vietnam, alumni and the other people, it feels so great because we are actually meeting for the very first time, but you know, like we suddenly start dancing and speaking about the code language because we all knew this from the very beginning, like all those dances and moves and everything. So it feels like we are actually meeting for the first time, but it feels like you are talking to your very old friend. The problems today are more complex than ever before. Everyone is doing what they can, everyone is contributing in their own way, and so am I.